In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play video and music properly in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever tried to share a video in a Teams meeting and noticed that other people couldn't hear the sound clearly, this process will help you fix that. The key is to share the correct browser tab and make sure tab audio is turned on before you begin. That way, your audience can hear the music, video audio, or any other sound directly from your computer instead of through your microphone. To get started, make sure you're already in an active call or meeting in Microsoft Teams. This method works best when the meeting is already running and you're ready to present content to everyone else in the session. Before you share, it also helps to open the video you want to play ahead of time, especially if it's on YouTube, so everything is ready to go. Once you're in the call, click on Share. This opens the sharing options and lets you decide exactly what you want other participants to see. If you choose the wrong option here, people may be able to see your content, but they might not hear the audio properly. So this next part is important. After that, click on Choose what you want to share. Teams will show you different sharing sources, such as your entire screen, a window, or a browser tab. For playing a video or music, you'll want to focus on the browser tab option, because that is what allows Teams to capture the sound directly and cleanly. In the Chrome tab section, select the YouTube tab. If your video or music is playing from YouTube, choosing that specific tab helps Teams share only that content instead of your whole screen. This can also reduce distractions and helps keep your presentation more organized for viewers. Next, look for the option called Share Tab Audio. This is one of the most important settings in the whole process. If this is not enabled, people in the meeting will likely see the video but won't hear the sound the way you intend. Turn that option on and then click Share. Once you do that, your selected tab will be shared into the meeting with its audio included. At that point, you can start or resume the video and everyone should be able to watch and hear it much more clearly. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to test this with a colleague or in a quick practice meeting before presenting to a larger group. That way, you can confirm that both the video and the sound are coming through correctly.